oldest fermented beverage known to man. They go back 9,000 years. Some people say 25,000 years. And they even predate agriculture. Says a lot about my ancestors. They want to drink before they start eating.
Yeast is the most important factor. It converts the sugars into alcohol and also gives different kind of flavors. Depends on what yeast you get. You get different kinds of flavors in the beer and the amount of alcohol it makes in the beer.
It's just a crazy festival, man. This is like one of the best vibes for any festival that I've attended in the last year or so.
Hops is basically a female plant which gives bitterness to the beer, and it acts as a preservative also.